Hey everyone, Kevin here from Missouri Clark Life, and I decided I was going to do another little cooking video. So this time I'm going to go ahead and make chili. I know there's a ton of different ways that people make chili and a whole different variations of chili too, but I just want to show everyone the ingredients that I use for my chili, and hope everyone enjoys this video. And if you do, please share and like this video with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel. So here we are, Missouri Clark Life cooking video. Thought everyone would get a kick out of this anyway, so just wanted to show everybody the different ingredients that I'm going to use. Now we make enough chili to last us about 3 to 4 days, and I use a 4.5 quart saucepan, and that's what everything will go in the ingredients. So as far as my ingredients, I use 2 cans of chili beans, I use 2 cans of pinto beans, I use 3 cans of light red kidney beans, 3 cans of dark red kidney beans, and then I've got some onion chopped up. This is 3 about 1/4 inch slices of onion that I've chopped up. This here is our homegrown basil that we've grown in our own garden this year. And then here I've got some homegrown tomatoes, that is both the red and yellow tomatoes, that it's about a quart's worth. So we freeze our own tomatoes through the winter and everything, and I'm going to add that to the chili. And then I bought a can of diced tomatoes, that is the roasted garlic and onion, just for a little extra flavor. Then I'm going to put about a 1/2 cup of paste salsa in it. Now when it comes to the salsa, it really don't matter what brand or what style you use. It's just whatever you like for your own flavoring. So on the beans, I'm going to drain all the juices out of all the beans except for the chili beans, because the chili beans, the juice that's in there is seasoned, and I'm going to use that for extra flavoring and stuff. So I've already got my hamburger is already cooked, and I mixed a little bit of my seasoned salt and then Williams seasoning in with the hamburger. So I've got it all prepped and ready to go. There's just a hair under 1.25 pounds of hamburger there. And then the seasoning is my Williams seasoning, the original, which I really like. Normally on this seasoning I get the packets that's for 4 pounds of meat. They didn't have them this time, so I just bought 2. But like I said, I took one of them and put part of that in with the hamburger with some seasonal salt, just to give the burger a little bit of seasoning too. Now, something I found a long time ago that comes in really handy with draining your beans and everything like that is getting a colander, because when you got that many beans that you're draining and everything, it's really easy to just take the beans, dump them all in your colander, they all drain, it's real quick, you don't have to do them one at a time and mess with it or anything like that. So anyway, I'm going to take all the ingredients, get the beans drained and mixed up, and I think I mentioned it already, but this is a 4.5 quart saucepan, so it'll all go in that. I'll go ahead and probably, once I get everything mixed up, I'll stick it in the refrigerator. Then later on today I'll get it out and probably bring it up to boiling real good, then drop it down to simmer, let it simmer. We let it simmer anywhere from an hour, hour and a half. So anyway, thought everybody would get a kick out of this, and might do a quick shot of the ingredients after they're all mixed up. So appreciate it. I know it's not a Rachel Ray show or cooking episode from somebody fancy, but I thought everyone else would get a kick out of it. So appreciate it, and I'll show you what everything looks like once it's mixed up and in the pot. Talk to you later. Hey everyone, Kevin here. So got all my ingredients mixed up for my chili, and thought I'd pop back in here and show you guys what it all looks like and how full it fills this pan. Also, wanted to let everyone know too, when it comes to or anyway, when I make chili, I don't spend a lot of money when it comes to the beans. The Great Value and Best Choice beans work just fine. I don't spend a lot of money on the name brand ones or anything like that. Same with the salsa. It doesn't matter what brand of salsa I use, just whatever happened to get at the store at that time. But like I said, everything fit in this 4.5 quart saucepan, and on the time, I just bring it up to boiling, and then probably hour and 20 minutes let it simmer, just kind of let everything mix together, let all the seasoning blend in and everything. Wanted to show my little coffee cup out. Yeah, don't know if you guys see that, but anyway, got me a coffee cup that says Missouri on it that I really like. So anyway, hope you guys got a kick out of this. It's really simple to make, don't take no time. Really stress that you should use a colander when you use the draining your beans and everything, because it makes it really quick. You can just pop the beans open, throw them all in there, and drain them all at the same time, not trying to do each can by itself. So guys, hope you appreciate the video and get a kick out of it. So we will talk to you later. First cooking video of 2020. Gotta show off the flowers too. And it's always nice to have pretty flower arrangement in the house. Please like and subscribe. See y'all later. Bye bye.